solutions. So they are like first one. The question is very simple. Can you tell me which is the rate of current? I'll give the options. Otherwise, you are not able to answer the things. The options are like this. A, the SI rate of current that is well, so ampere, watt, none of this. None of this. Can you tell me which is the right answer? Volt. Hitesh, you are saying SI rate of current is volt. Okay. Can you tell me which is the SI rate of current? Okay, fine. The SI rate of current is nothing but ampere. It is defined A. So today's our job is we have to define the ampere according to the standard definition. According to the standard definition, we have to put the results. Sorry. Tirthashi, Chendu. So mute money. Mute money. Telephone control. Chendu. Mute money. Mute money. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಚಂದು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಚಂದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಏನೇ ಕೇಳಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ okay look here the thing is so let's say here we consider two parallel first models ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು explain ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ the question is like this here there are two parallel conductors like this now the question is they are carrying the current along the same direction they are carrying the current along the same direction so what is the fate of these two conductors so there are two infinitely long conductors. Say I'm going to call this as X and Y. Then which are the following options are correct? A is there. B the repel is there. C so no attraction or no repulsion. No attraction or no repulsion. D none of this. Different conductors carrying the current in the same direction. Which of the following is correct? They attract each other, they repel. So there is no no attraction or no repulsion. None of this. Can you hear my voice? Kelistha idea voice. Very good. Well, Sadhana, she is saying that they attract each other. Okay. So she is perfectly correct. Sharvani, you are also correct. That is, we have to show that the two conductors carrying the current, they attract each other. ಯಾವ ತರ ಹೇಗೆ idea ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ and hence we have to define SI unit of current ampere. Okay. Just you observe. They may ask a question like this. Derive an expression for. ಇದು examination ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ important. Derive an expression for force per unit length. Force per unit length acting between the two parallel conductors carrying the current and hence define the SI unit of current. The SI unit of current. Well, so now what you have to do is for a moment imagine that here there are two different colors. You can understand. Now ಎರಡು colors use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Try to understand. One conductor X ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Conductor X. So at the distance D, you imagine another conductor Y. So at the distance D, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು conductor na imagine as Y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. Let both the conductors carry the current perpendicular to the plane of this board and into the conductor. You know, into it is represented like this. ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. we have to show that they attract each other. Attract ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Let's see how to show this one. ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So first we consider conductor X. Because of the conductor X, no doubt magnetic field is produced at Y, and we have to obtain the shape of this magnetic field. You know that the magnetic field around this one, they are actually so like this. They are circular in nature. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ, it gives the direction of magnetic field. The magnetic field produced at Y because of the X, it is given by the expression By is equal to, so the expressions ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. By is equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi d. The distance is d and the current is x. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ magnetic field produce ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ Bx ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is given by one of the rule. That rule actually it is called as right hand clasp rule. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ, it is downwards. ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ downwards ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So it is actually acting like this. And the magnetic field because of the conductor X, it is given by the expression Bx is equal to mu naught Ix divided by 2 pi dt. And you know they are circular. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಇದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದು ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, now what you have to do is consider conductor X in this field. ಈಗ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ X ತಗೋಣ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ X, ಇದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ Y. ಈಗ because of the conductor S, the magnetic field produced is given by Bx equals mu naught Ix by 2 pi d. Now you consider conductor Y. Now you are placing conductor Y in the presence of the magnetic field of X. Therefore, the force experienced by conductor Y in the presence of the magnetic field is given by the expression. So this F force acting on Y due to magnetic field of X, Fyx is equal to. So according to the, and here no doubt theta it is equal to 90 degrees. The angle between the current carrying conductor and the magnetic field is 90 degrees. Therefore, so sin theta equals 1, you make this one, and the current it is because of Y, and the length you keep this as it is, but the magnetic field is belongs to X. So this is substitute equation 1. Equation 1 substitute money. Then the force acting on Y due to X is given by the expression Fyx equals Bx is mu naught Ix into L, Iy into L. Now you have find the direction, motion of this is the direction of current. The direction of current ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು direction of current, ಇದು direction of field, ಇದು direction of motion, and therefore the force is acting leftwards. So ಈಗ left side ಗೆ force act ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, and it is acting like this. So this force I am going to as F. Now let's go for the next one. The next one is ಹೋಗೋಣ. By 2 pi d into L. This I will call as equation. Well, here second case is ಹೋಗೋಣ. Second case is you consider conductor Y. ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಚೂರು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So first consider conductor X. ಇದು X ಆಗಿರಲಿ. Now you consider conductor Y here. ಇದು Y ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Let the separation between these two, it is D. D ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. D ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. It is D. Okay. Now because of the Y, magnetic field is produced. Expression. ಯಾವ expression ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So the expression it is given like this. So there is because of this one, just ಇಲ್ಲಿ magnitude produce ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Surrounding by the magnitude is produced. Magnitude produced properly. ನೋಡಿ they are circular, you know. And at this point we have to find the magnetic field. Let the distance actually it is a d. Distance is a father d in Australia. Okay. At point I am going to call this as q ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ p ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನ q ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. At q the magnetic field produced because of the current carrying conductor y. It is given by the formula dy is equal to mu naught iy divided by, you know, due to straight conductor it is a 2 pi d. Okay. Now we have to find the direction of the magnetic field. It is given by ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The direction of magnetic field use right hand rule. Right hand rule ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now this is the direction of current. ನೋಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. It is actually upwards ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That's why the direction of the magnetic field it is upwards. I am going to call it as Vy, and Vy equals mu naught Iy by 2 pi d. Okay. Now the next thing is Vy equals mu naught Iy by 2 pi d. Now you keep the second conductor in the presence of the magnetic field of this one. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ conductor x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ at point q. Now it experience a force. The force experienced by x ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. So that is due to magnetic field of y. It is given by fxy equals simply you write will sin theta. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x. ಆದ್ರೆ magnetic field ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y. Vy. Well, so that is, and theta equals no doubt it is 90 degrees. Theta is the ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 degrees ಇದೆ. Then fxy is equal to, we have to write by ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. by is nothing but mu naught Iy divided by 2 pi d into Ix into L. So theta sin 90 is 1. Then you have to solve for fxy. Fxy equals mu naught Ix L by 2 pi d. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ fyx is mu naught Ix Iy L by 2 pi d. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. Therefore, so find the direction. ಈಗ direction of force calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. To find the direction of force, use Fleming's left hand rule. So that is this is the direction of current, this is the direction of field. Look here, this is the direction of motion. Now the conductor actually it moves like this. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So conductor so x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So conductor y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. That's why the two conductors attract each other. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು attract ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. By using this, very easily we can define the ampere. I repeat all these things once again. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. Then ask the question like this. Derive the expression for force per unit length between two parallel currents carrying the current in the same direction, and hence define the SI unit of current. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. First we consider conductor X. Conductor X ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Later this is the conductor X. So and you consider another conductor Y. So it is at a distance of d. ಎರಡರ ನಡುವಿನ ದೂರ d ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟಿರಲಿ. ಎರಡರ ನಡುವಿನ ದೂರ d ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟಿರಲಿ. Let this is point P, this is point Q. So the magnetic field produced at point Q. So diagram ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಗೇನೆ. The magnetic field produced at point Q, it is given by the expression because of X. Because of X, magnetic field at point Q use. So we have to write Bx. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ a particular colors use ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Colors ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾಕೆ choose ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ. Bx is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ magnetic field. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So therefore Bx is equal to mu naught. We have to write Ix divided by 2 pi d, where d is a distance from here to here. Only distance is sama. So this I am going to call as equation 1. So that will observe money. The direction it is given by one of the rule, that is Fleming's. So this is a right hand class rule, not Fleming's rule. It is a right hand rule. So right hand class rule ನೋಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You are going to get the beautiful direction ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Now you take the second conductor, that is conductor Y. ಈಗ conductor Y ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Can you tell me whether it is an ordinary conductor or current carrying conductor? This is ordinary conductor or current carrying conductor? A is ordinary conductor, B is current carrying conductor. Come on, answer this question. So this is A character, B character. Very good. B is the right one. It is a current carrying conductor. Now no doubt here it experiences a force. This conductor is one of the force na experience ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. The force experienced by this conductor, it is given by the expression force experienced by conductor Y because of the magnetic field of X. It is given by, so there is a Bill sin theta. Isn't it comedy? Bill sin theta. So in this case, what happens? We have to write B magnetic field. It is because of X. Bx actually. It is a Bx mu naught Ix divided by 2 pi d. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ Iy. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Iy ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ L, and theta equals 90 and sin 90 equals 1. Agare Fyx equals, we are going to get like this, or Fyx divided by L is equal to mu naught Ix Iy divided by 2 pi d. So please remember, this is the expression for force per unit length. We have the direction very easily we can write. To write the direction, we have to apply one of the rule. This rule, it is called as, okay. This rule, it is called as, Fleming's left hand rule apply ಮಾಡಣ. Today Fleming's left hand rule we can very easily apply. So let the central finger indicates the direction of the current. Forefinger indicates the direction of fate. Then the main finger indicates the direction of motion. Nodi, this is direction of current, this is direction of field. This is direction of motion. Therefore, for you, it is acting from right to left, and the direction of force, it is actually like this. Direction of force. It is like this. This is acting. So towards left in the plane of the paper. Now we have to go for the next one. Next condition is what you have to do is, now you take a point P. Because of this, iదే diagram ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರೀತೇನೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Let this is conductor Y. This is conductor Y. This is conductor Y. So the next one is, let this conductor, this is the conductor X. This is conductor X ಆಗಿದೆ. So because of, so this Y, magnetic field is produced at this tube. ಇದನ್ನ point P ತಗೋತೇನೆ, ಇದು tube. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Circles ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now at point X, the magnetic field produced because of Y, it is given by the expression By is equal to mu naught Iy divided by 2 pi d. Equation 3. Now you consider, so this conductor, that is conductor X in the magnetic field of this. Therefore, the direction actually is acting upwards. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It is acting upwards. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It is acting upwards. Upwards act ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Just a minute. I am adjusting the board. Board adjust ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. Okay. Now the direction actually it is like this. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು tangent ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. We got the expression for By. Now the next thing is By equals mu naught Iy by 2 pi d. Now you give conductor X, then it experiences a force. The force experienced by conductor X because the magnetic field of Y, it is given by, because of the magnetic field of Y, it is given by okay. Notice it is Fxy, it is given by Bill sin theta. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಲ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದು ಬಿ ಬೈ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಬಿ ವೈ ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಮ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಐ ವೈ ಬೈ 2 ಪೈ ಡಿ ಇಂಟು ಉಳಿತಾ ಇರೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್. ಥೀಟಾ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಎಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಐ ವೈ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 pi. Look here, equation number 4. And just to observe equation 3, 2 and 4. Fyx by L equals mu naught Ix Iy by 2 pi d. Fxy by L equals mu naught Iy Ix. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Iy Ix ಅಥವಾ Ix Iy both are same. So therefore, this is the expression for force acting per unit length when two infinitely long conductors are carrying the current along the same direction. Now we have to find the direction of force. To find the direction of force, you apply Fleming's left-hand rule. Fleming's left-hand rule na apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ Fleming's left-hand rule apply ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು magnetic field produce ಆಗಿರೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. This is By. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಿದೆ, magnetic field ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ no doubt the conductor X and this is the force is acting from left to right. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಇದು right to left, ಇದು left to right. That's why the two conductors they attract each other. In other words, the two conductors they attract each other like this. Therefore, if they are carrying the current in the same direction, then the two conductors attract each other. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಟೂ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. This is conductor X, this is conductor Y. Let the kept at P and Q respectively. The separation is D. Now you remove the conductor Y. You consider only conductor X. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಸುತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಮೇಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯೂಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ Q the magnetic field developed because the current carrying X is given by Bx equals mu naught Ix by 2 pi d. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ conductor. So conductor Y ತಂದಿಟ್ಟಾಗ then it experience a force. The force experienced of X it is given by Fyx equals Bx Iy L sin theta. L sin theta ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ X ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Bx current carrying conductor Iy into L sin theta. Theta equals 90, then Fyx equals mu naught Ix Iy L by 2 pi d. Or Fyx L equation 2, it is a direction ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, the direction of the force it is given by Fleming's left hand rule. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ thumb is acting like this, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I hope you are able to understand. So like this we are getting the direction of the current and direction of the force like this, and it is given by mu naught Ix Iy divided by 2 pi d. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. So let's go for the next one. Now you consider the reverse case. So first consider two conductors X and Y. ಈಗ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ X ಇದೆ. X ಮೊಮೆಂಟರಿ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ Y ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ Q ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ Y is given by mu naught Iy divided by 2 pi d. ಈಗ ಈ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ಇಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ conductor S in the presence of the magnetic field of so Vix L sin theta. V ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ Y, Vy Ix L sin theta. Theta equals 90 beta k. Vy ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ mu naught Iy Ix L 2 pi d or Fxy divided by L equals mu naught Iy Ix by 2 pi d. Okay. Now you have to notice that this is the expression for force experienced per unit length. ಈಗ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. To find the direction of the force, use the Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rule use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ later this is the direction of the magnetic field. So this is the direction of current. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು thumb direction of current ಇದು. ಇದು direction of field. ಇದು direction of motion. It is acting from left to right. So ಈಗ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ the force acting on X due to Y ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ is acting from left to right. ಈಗ acting on Y due to X ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Therefore, no doubt the two conductors, ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ they are attracting each other. I hope you are able to understand. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ U ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ two infinitely long conductors. So there is a ampere is defined as that current which will flowing through two infinitely long conductors separated by a distance of 1 meter kept in vacuum experiences a force per unit length of 2 × 10⁻⁷ Newton per meter. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎರಡು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಗ್, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಆಕಾಶ ಮುಟ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಸಪರೇಷನ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡರ ನಡುವೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 2 × 10⁻⁷ Newton per meter ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೋಗೋ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ನ 1 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Thus ampere is defined as that current which when flowing through two infinitely long conductors separated by a distance of 1 meter kept in vacuum experiences a force per unit length of 2 × 10⁻⁷ Newton per meter. Okay. Now by using this we have to define. So Coulomb, the SI unit of charge is Coulomb. Let's see how to define Coulomb. Coulomb ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಈ ತರ ಕಾಪರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಾಪರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So let 1 ampere of current is flowing through this. I equals 1 ampere ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ನ 1 ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. So there is a Coulomb is defined as that charge which when flowing through the cross section of a conductor ampere is flowing time of 1 second. I repeat, Coulomb is defined as that charge flowing across the surface of the conductor in 1 second when the current in it is 1 ampere. Either I hope you are able to understand. This definition ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ you want the type. Definition ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. Next ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, fine. Very good. Very good. You are able to understand. Fine. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಓದಿ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೀ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಓದಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ